Hi there. In this tutorial video, I will show the setup process of SchoolBic LMS system and how teachers can create free and paid courses in the system, how students can enroll in a course, and so many more. For you to be able to set up the LMS module, you must be registered as the system admin or an employee with access to the LMS module. Firstly, the system admin is required to set up the courses category in his institution. You can create the course category from the Special Task menu, and from the drop-down menu, click on the Categories Manager function. Then click on the Courses menu. From here you can see all the categories I have created in my demo system. Create your institution course categories by clicking the Add New Category button. Enter your course title and its description. The course category is just like the topic or subject of a course. While creating a course, you will be required to associate the course to a category. A category will look like this on the course overview, so users can easily identify the category a course belongs to. It is also a useful filtering function for users who search for courses. From the teacher perspective, let's create a course. So we are logged into a teacher portal. Go to the course module and click on it. To create a course, click on the Add Course button. Enter the title for the course. Here, teacher or instructors will select a category from the list of categories the admin set up in the system and associate it to the course. Enter a description for the course. Description is visible beneath the course title. Here you will have to enter the details for the course. Enter what the course is included. Click on the plus icon to create another route to enter another course include. And here write what users will learn from the course. Use the plus button to create another route for what you'll learn. Here enter what is required to take the course. Enter the language for the course. Upload a well-designed image from your device to be used as your course feature image. Then target which user role the course is designed for. The all users selection means every user role can enroll for the course. Use the custom users and role selection to target specific user roles like a specific class, student, teachers, or a specific user. Only targeted user role will see courses targeted at them. Select if the course is free or paid. For paid course, you will have to enter the amount for the course, and user will have to pay the allocated fee before they can start a course. Lastly, click the Add Course button. Next thing to do is to add content to your course. Click on the Read More button. From here you can see an overview of the course you have created. You can delete or edit a course by using the bin or pencil button respectively. To add content to your course, switch to the Content tab. Click the Add Content button. From the pop-up window, you should firstly create your content group. Create the various groups that your content will need. Please note, content are associated to group. As you can see, these are the groups I just created. Let's add content to these groups. Click the Add Content button. Select Content. Enter the title of the content, the description of the content. Select the content group from the group you created. You can upload videos or audio content. Simply select your upload source. You can upload your content from your device, YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or SoundCloud. You have the option of making specific content available without user enrollment. An example is an introduction content for the course, which are always made available for users to watch without enrolling on the course. Enter the order of the content. Then click the Add Content button to create your content. Add as much content as your course requires and group them under their respective group. This is an overview of how your course will look like when you have added as much content as your course needs. These are the group and content are placed under a group. There is an expansion and reduction function for user experience. Use the red gear button to remove or edit content or a group by clicking the respective button. You can add downloadable resources for each content so students can download the file from their end for the course. To add downloadable resources to content, click on the content you want to add a file to. Then switch to the Download tab. From here, you will see if there are any attached resource to the content. To add a downloadable resource, click the Add New Download button and enter a descriptive title for the file. Enter the description of the file. Upload content from your device and click the Add New Download button. The number of files you can add to course content is unlimited. You can remove a file by clicking on the bin button. Take note, course content that is available to users without the need for enrollment can be easily identified with the padlock sign for content that requires user enrollment, while without enrollment has no padlock sign. Also, by switching to the Review tab, you would be able to see any reviews written by users for the course. Depending on the permission access level given by the system admin for the course module, teachers may or may not be able to remove reviews. From the student perspective, students can see courses targeted at them for their class from the course module. From the view of courses, students can see the course instructor, the course fee type if free or paid and its fee, category of the course, and other information at a glance. There is also an advanced search function for users to quickly search for courses and filter based on course type, category, or name by clicking on the Read More button. The user will see all the information regarding the course, details such as the language of the course, the last time the course was updated, what they will learn from the course requirements, course details, course include, and a Buy and Enroll button. To enroll for a course, click on the Enrollment button. If the course is free, a pop-up window will display with a success message with a Go To button to the course. While if the course is a paid course, automatically an invoice will be generated along with the invoice ID, available on the user invoice history by clicking on the Go To Invoice button. User browser will take them to the invoice history system for making payment, as user course enrollment will be on pending till the user pay the course fee. If user enrollment is successful or payment has been completed, there will be a Start Course button with the date the user enroll for the course. By clicking on the Start Course button, the system will take the user to the course contents and group to start learning. There is a review system for users to write reviews. Other users whose course is targeted at will be able to see users' reviews from their end. There are other modules available in SchoolBic for instructors, teachers, students, and other users to use along with the course module to better their learning and teaching experience. Modules such as form system for creating questions, answer a quiz, and discussion feature to discuss about the course. There is also an online class module for creating live class regarding the course, and many more advanced modules that you will love to explore. Meanwhile, I'd like you to know that students and other users can carry out all of the demonstrations and operations I have done in this tutorial video from your school dedicated mobile app. If your institution subscription includes SchoolBic Android and iOS mobile app, you can learn more about the configuration of this module by visiting our software documentation page. Kindly contact us if you have any questions or need further support.